Hi everyone, I'm Nikos Hamakos and I'm a chemical engineer. And honestly, for the past couple of years, I've been on a bit of a quest, chasing down a problem that has bothered me my entire career. This is the story of the open source project that came out of it, FiaScript. So it really all boils down to this one simple truth. As engineers, our job is to solve problems, right? We want to get to the solution as fast as we can. We want to think about physics, the design, the results, not wrestle with installers, dependencies and license servers. Every single minute we spend on setup is a minute that we don't spend on actual engineering. If you are in this field, I bet this slide looks painfully familiar, right? Finite element analysis tools today are incredibly powerful, but just getting access to them can be a huge pain. We are talking about super expensive licenses that lock you in, installation processes that need their own instruction manual, and that constant headache of making sure that your software version, your OS, and all the dependencies are somehow getting along. It's just so much friction. For me, the real tipping point came during one specific project. I was building a web app for a customer and needed to solve a system of equations using the finite element method. I wanted something lightweight and of course without a long list of installation instructions. I didn't want to say, hey, here's the app, but to make it work, you have to install this and that library. I just wanted it to work out of the box. So I came up with what might seem like a crazy idea. To solve the whole dependency problem, I needed something that runs everywhere on every machine without any setup. And that really means only one thing, the browser, which led me to the language that we engineers love to hate, JavaScript. Finite element solver in JavaScript sounds insane, right? Well, it would be a crazy idea if we didn't have the JIT JavaScript compilers like Google's V8 and Mozilla's SpiderMonkey. So here it is, FiaScript, a lightweight finite element simulation library written in pure JavaScript. Being written in JavaScript means that you can solve differential equations right in your browser, no installations needed. So how can you use it? First, you simply load the library from a CDN link. You configure the model, solve it, and boom, the results appear on the web page. It's that simple. You can find all the links along with many tutorials in our website. Check the description. So what's included so far? Regarding physics modeling, FiaScript currently supports heat conduction and front propagation solvers. In terms of mathematical methods, we have a general form PD solver, a collection of linear solvers, and the Newton-Raphson method for non-linear problems. Finally, regarding deployment, FiaScript can run directly in the browser in JavaScript playgrounds like CodePen and Scribbler, and also in Node.js for server-based applications. The project has also received contributions from other developers, and I want to say a huge thank you for that. Now, if you would like to support FiaScript development, please subscribe here and give us a star on GitHub. It really helps the project to grow. Until next time, thanks for watching.